Alright everybody, this is going to be a quick video. I pre-ordered this from Call TV Man's website. It's from X Plus. It's the Cyclops 1/35th scale. I pre-ordered it and paid for it and didn't expect it to come until Monday, and it came today. Very cool. I'm not going to have time to do a kit review on it till probably Monday. It does have some weight to it. The artwork is pretty cool. Nothing on the back side of the box, but I'm looking forward to building this kit. I might do it for the HobbyLink International Halloween group build for 2023. This might be my entry for that. But I'm looking forward to opening up this kit and take a look inside, do a kit review, but I'll probably do that on Monday. And I'll go ahead and put this on my YouTube channel. Figured I'd share this with everybody. Looks like it's going to be a cool kit to build. So I'm going to go ahead and call this a wrap for this quick peek at this cool model that I got from Cult TV Man, and it's from X Plus. You can see right there. Very cool. I got a lot going on. As you can see, this is my spray booth. Over there I have and working on the Raptor. But back to this, I'm going to go ahead and call this a wrap, and I'll talk with everybody later.